Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. This video I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the problem. Problem is that your Twitter account is not working properly in your iPhone, maybe iPad, and Twitter app and X app. You can say that is keep crashing in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow all these steps. I'm gonna tell that in this video to fix the issue. Simply just going to the settings of your iPhone and have to make sure that you have strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, if you find that your Twitter is not working after the VPN disconnection, so make sure that Twitter and the X app is working in your region. So in my region, Twitter is bad, so that's why I'm gonna connect with the VPN. So that's why after connect with the VPN, my app gonna work. So make sure that you check that Twitter and X app is currently available in your region or not. So after that, it's going to be general section and it's going to the software update and it's update the latest iOS version into iPhone, maybe iPad. Just going back and it's going to the iPhone storages and let's find your Twitter app and let's offload your app and again install the app from here. After that, it's going back and just scroll it down and let's find a transfer or reset icon. Just tap on that and just tap on reset and reset the network settings from here. After doing all the steps, you're gonna solve and you have to make sure that your X app is working in your region. If it's not working in your region, you make sure that you just have to connect with any VPN. So that's why your X app working. In if the X app is not banned in your region, so make sure that you just disconnect the VPN and work and using properly without VPN. So that's the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.